Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. I am so excited because this is my first video in our new channel. Hi everyone. So my name is Cessna Ayieko. Yes. And we are starting our YouTube channel. Isn't that just so exciting, guys? It is so exciting. I have been thinking about this for a while now, and I just thought there are some people that are going through a lot of things in this time. There are some people who really need a lot of talking to, a lot of, I don't know, do you know, I don't know, just people are going through a lot of things at this particular time. And yeah, I felt that I needed to start a YouTube channel for those people. One of my goals, maybe something like that, in life is to just make people smile, make people laugh, make people feel good about themselves. And who is a god akaniambia, ha, Cessna, tunakuita, we are calling you to start this channel. And it has been in my mind for a very long time, and so I thought this is the perfect time. Yeah, I thought this is the perfect time to start one. Yes. And so we have three things, guys. We have three things that I will be doing in my channel. I will be doing DIY videos about things, decor and whatever in the house. We will be going through that together. Yeah, interior, not okay, house deco rather. Yes, house deco, things to do with, let me show you one thing. Something like this, guys, something like this, picture frames. And what I made this myself. The picture is printed. It's not haina color. Kizungu ni ngumu. Haina color. It's black and white. It was printed by my dad, and then I made this myself. This is a cardboard, and then this ni calendar. Ni calendar. So this is calendar, and then these are just, I don't know, decorating stuff zenye tunakuanga nazo. Kitambo we used to make beads, easy bangles, me and my sister. So yeah, these are the things that were left from what we were doing when we were small, and so I just decided to, like, yeah, do something like this. And ta-da, the outcome, ta-da. So these are some of the things that we will be doing together. And then I will just be, another thing I'll be doing, I don't know, kind of everything, everyday life. Yeah, everyday life. Cooking. I love cooking, by the way. I really love cooking. And then makeup. Me, I by the way. I really not a makeup person. Yeah, I don't like do makeup all the time. All the time. So but a bit of that maybe. But it's those skills. It's those skills. Oh my gosh, it's those skills. And then also I'll be encouraging people and motivating people. Yeah, because as I told you, many people are going through many things. So I think someone just needs someone to talk to, someone to tell him or her that things are going to be okay, and yada yada yada. Yeah. So basically those are the three things that my channel will be focusing in: DIY videos of house deco, everyday life, and motivating and encouraging people, because mostly that's what I love doing. I really love talking to people and just, I don't know, putting a smile on someone's face, I don't know, and talking about things dealing with depression and what I don't know. We will be doing a lot of things, my people. So guys, you don't want to miss. You don't want to miss. I am telling you, no, you don't. You don't want to miss. So guys, like, wanasemanga nini? Wanasemanga nini yake? So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, guys. Tell a friend that there is a new channel in town, and guys, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun on this journey, you and I. It's gonna be lit, it's gonna be amazing, it's gonna be everything. So you don't wanna miss. No, you don't want to miss. So guys, tell a friend, 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 to tell a friend that there's a new YouTube channel in town, and it's going to be lit. It's going to have a lot of amazing stuff that you guys want to see. Yeah, so guys, this is just an introduction. Yeah, this is just an introduction to my video. I will be releasing my videos, I think, Mondays and Fridays. Mondays and Fridays. Kutakwanga na siku ya DIY videos. There'll be a day for what? For everyday life, and then there'll be a day for what? For for encouragement and just motivating and just talking about, you know, life and what have you. So yes, guys, that's it. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I can square you to say my but yeah, subscribe. Like and share. Comment down below what you guys would like me to be doing for you guys, you know. Yeah, what you want me, what you like me to, what you would like me to be doing for you guys, yeah, in my videos, so that you can make this more interesting and tunaweza move on swiftly like this, yeah. Goofy, I know. So yeah guys, leo sikutaka kuongea mingi, lakini nimeongea mingi. 7 minutes. Really Cessna, really. So yeah people, that's it. Ni hivyo. Tutaonana kwa my next video, which I really don't know when I'll be posting, because now I have to get started. Sijui nianze na gani. Comment down below. Nianze na gani? Nianze na DIY, everyday life, ama I just start with, but I think I'll start with encouragement, because I think a lot of people really need that at this time. Watu wengi, they really need encouragement and just someone to talk to, and I don't know. Niambieni, what do you want? You are my people. I am doing this channel for you guys. Yeah, I am doing this channel for you guys. So tell me what you want me to do. Tuone tunasaidiana, just we see how we are helping each other in this time, in this corona season. And guys, stay safe, sanitize, social distance yourself from people. 1.5 meters apart. Yes, 1.5 meters apart. Stay away from what wanna na hawana mask. Personally, I find mask very, I don't know, I forget every time I want to leave the house. I forget, and then my sister reminds me, wear mask. Every time I forget. Sijazoea all this time. Sijazoea bado. So keep safe, and let me see you on my next video.